What's going on, guys? This is DeFi Cody coming back at you with another one. So I'm getting a lot of complaints that they're getting a black screen on a computer, and this video is going to solve that. So when you click on app.earnhub.fi, you get a black screen, and it goes away. So what the problem is you're not using a dapp browser. And how do you get that on the PC? So essentially, you got to download a MetaMask extension, and what that'll do is it'll allow you to get into your wallet, and it'll show the website. So this is how we do it. You type in MetaMask extension on Google, and then it'll bring up you a page like this. And essentially, where it says remove from Chrome, that is actually where it'll say download. I just took a screenshot and I was hiding my email address. So that's that. And once you download that, you will then click this, and it's going to ask you, and then MetaMask should pop up, and if it don't, you just got to click it. Let's see here. And so right now my MetaMask is going to pop up. I got my wallet connected, and as you can see, it's still not working. And why is that? It's because I'm on the Ethereum main net. And how do I do that? See, right now I got it saved, but for the sake of showing you guys, is you got to mainly add in the BSC mainnet network. And so this is what you got to do. This is how you add it to there, because it will not be there, so you'll have to add it. You click that button, you get to this page. And so what you want to do is you want to add Smart Chain to this one. Do HTTPS this. I think it's I gotta look again. And this is all the data you're going to be entering. But so we'll manually enter it here. So you do BSC, and then you go back here. Sorry, data seed, and then .binance.org, and then down here you'll do chain ID. I think it's 56, yes, 56, and then BNB, and then you do HTTPS and I think it's Binance.org. Oh, BSCScan.org. And let me make sure. Oh yeah, you got to put the dots here. So let me just verify. So you got the https.bscscan, and then what am I doing wrong here? HTTPS. Oh, that's what I did wrong. We should be good now. And then, so this is what you got to enter. 56 is the common number. Sometimes that don't work. Yeah, but you use 56 for chain ID. And then you go over, you hit save. And boom. Now I got BNB Smart Chain added to my wallet. So just like that. And then from there, we'll go back to here. We'll hit app.earnhub.fi. And boom, just like that, it loads. And so if you're here, let's just re-enter the address again, get it to pop up. And so there'll be a drop down. And so Smart Chain, me putting Smart Chain in there, the original one was the BSC mainnet. These are the same exact thing. So I can click here and it'll still pop up. But if I click here, and then I try to come here again, it probably won't load. Yep, see? And to fix that, we hit MetaMask. Gotta wait for it to pop up. We'll change that back down there. and then you hit this again. You hit, and then you hit connect wallet, and that's how you do it. So to summarize real fast, if you get in the black screen, you got to download the MetaMask extension onto your Chromebook, and then you got to manually add the BSC network to your MetaMask wallet because you cannot run it off the Ethereum network. Once you add that manually, you will then be able to load onto your computer. I thought my computer was screwed up, and I learned this, and I figured I'd create a video for you guys. Essentially, the same thing on your phones. You got to make sure you're running the right network. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Have a good night.